The full strategy on how to eat for Christmas time, the drinks, the desserts, and even the appetizer. It's all included here.
Tips on when you are actually in the scene of an eating area where there's a whole bunch of food exposed. What you need to do is you have to look at this meal planning. You have to pre-plan too before you go to the gathering. Like making sure that you don't walk in starving. So have a small snack if you have to. Something with protein and something with fiber. Do a shake with flax meal or chia seeds. That's got enough fiber, that's enough protein, and that's gonna help stabilize me so I'm not starving and just eating all the appetizers and I haven't even gotten to the main meal and not even to the dessert yet. So try to make sure that your hunger is low. Maybe for you, you have a nice meal right before going and you just want to enjoy the drinks and enjoy the desserts and that's it. So you have to pick what works for you, but do not go there starving. If you're a person that doesn't know how to control their appetite, I do not recommend going fasted, because I have done this and I'm pretty good at controlling my appetite and I literally break free. The lion of me comes out. I eat everything. I can't control myself and then I totally overdo it. I actually way overeat more than if I just had something before. So try not to go in a fasted state unless you're an experienced faster, you have good willpower, and you can control yourself. When you see the table full of food or a buffet or wherever you're going, I want you to really scan the food. Don't just go grab a plate and throw stuff on your plate. Just scan the food and look at it and say, decide what would you truly enjoy? And then those are the things that you want to focus on eating. Don't fill up your plate with a whole bunch of stuff just because it's there. Don't spend your calories on food that you really don't enjoy. Spend it where you're gonna enjoy it. When it comes to alcohol, I would say things like sparkling water with a little bit of fruit. Kombucha is my most favorite one. I always grab those big bottles of kombucha and I literally bring that and I pour it in a wine glass and I drink that all night and it's perfect. I like Moscato too. Moscato came out with a lower sugar version and sometimes I mix the Moscato with the kombucha and it's great. You can also do light wines and light beers. You can do distilled spirits such as gin, tequila, vodka, or whiskey. Those are generally low carb drinks, but just watch the amount that you're drinking. So how are we going to create balance? By being healthy, but also enjoying ourselves. And so I would like to follow the one plate rule. You grab a plate, you fill it up with your most favorite, making sure that it's balanced between healthy foods and indulgence foods, like the 80-20 rule, right? And then that's the only plate that you eat. Try to stay hydrated. If you're drinking alcohol, make sure that you're hydrated between alcohol drink. You don't want just straight drink. You want that water in there so it can clear out the toxins and clean you out. And make sure that you don't come drunk and then start overeating on the appetizers later and do crazy stuff.